what do you do to actually grow hair? I know that there's so much information out there, like so much misinformation out there, like stuff like your hair only grows a quarter inch a month, your hair only grows half an inch a month. This is false. Nobody's hair grows a certain amount a month. This is just averages. I know people who can grow their hair 1 or 2 inches a month. My hair, in fact, grows that fast. I cut it and it grows really fast. I know people who can grow hair, they grow hair half an inch a month. But in all cases, you can get your hair to grow faster, okay? You can. Your hair at any moment is not growing optimally because of the conditions we put it through, the foods we eat. The hair is not growing as fast as it should. Hair is a litmus test to your health. How healthy your hair is how healthy you're inside. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. If your hair is falling out, there's a reason why it's falling out. That's because your body is highly acidic. You want to reverse this acidity. Your body is predominantly alkaline. If it becomes acidic, the acids that your 100 trillion cells produce and the acids that come from the foods you eat have no place to go. And they will drown the lymphatic system, or those make the lymphatic system stagnant. This means that the acids that are coming from your cells and the food you're eating have nowhere to go but your skin, colon, and lymphatic system. When these systems are not functioning properly, the acid's going to come to your scalp and your skin. It's going to burn it. That's why you see the rashes, the itchiness, and the hair falling out. You want to reverse this by going on fruits only. Fruits are the only thing that can move the lymphatic system, get the kidneys filtering properly, and allow those acids to leave. If you don't do it, no matter what system you use, what treatment you use, it's not going to help you. At the same time, you want to start using plants for your hair. People, don't be fooled by medication and shampoos and everything like that. This is modern technology which doesn't work. Nature is the only thing that's been designed to help man heal, okay? It's that simple. Plants have been used for centuries in India and China to help grow hair, okay? Science is just now validating this proof. So they've had like 5,000 years of practice to find out which plants work the best and how to use them. Like this plant here, for instance, is called Eclipta alba. Eclipta alba in India is called king of hairs for a very simple reason that it's been used for generations to grow hair. It was actually tested in the lab against minoxidil, okay? It beat minoxidil in the lab. It's not even a joke. The actual study is here. This is a scientific study done by scientists, real scientists. You don't hear of this stuff because commercial interests don't want you to know about this stuff, but it's right there. You know, you do the research yourself, find the information, and you see. Eclipta alba actually beat minoxidil. It's more powerful than minoxidil, and it has no side effects, people. So when you combine all these powerful plants and put it into a hair oil and use it on a every other day basis or 2-3 times a week, you're doing all you can to grow your hair. Combine that with the fruits, and there's no way you won't grow your hair. I repeat it over and over again. There's no way you won't grow your hair. It may take you a few weeks, months, sometimes years, depending on how bad your hair is, but your hair will grow because as your health improves, your hair is going to grow. It's that simple, folks. Everything in life is simple. When it's complicated, it's not the truth. When it's complicated, someone's trying to fool you. You want your hair to grow, fix the diet, get it alkaline, the body alkaline. Use hair oils with hair growth with herbs in it, and your hair will grow. No magic to it. So I have links below to get a free fruit protocol below. Use it. Use a fruit protocol. Get your health, hair, and skin back. Okay, make it beautiful again. And you know, if you wish to try one of the best hair oils for your hair, there's also a link underneath. You can try. It's the best of the best herbs and plants known to grow hair. We put it into one bottle for you. Use it at your pleasure. You'll be surprised what happens to your hair. Okay, stay consistent, stay true, and you will get the results.